spice fry is here again, this time with the vegetarian favorite, Paneer Malai Kofta. So let's begin by preparing the gravy first. Coarsely chop an onion, followed by coarsely chopping tomatoes. In a pan, fry some cashews till they are golden brown in color. Then add in the onions. The salt and the tomatoes. Cover with the lid and let it soften. In a large bowl, crumble 150 grams of paneer. Add in 4 to 5 teaspoons of maida, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon haldi or turmeric powder. Chop chilies to your liking and mix it well. Then add in 1 mashed potato and mix once again to form a doughy texture. Shape the koftas into oval shapes or even circles as per your preference. And deep fry them until they are golden on the outside. Remove and keep aside. Now let's get back to our gravy. Add some oil in a pan to temper the spices. Cinnamon, aniseed, black peppercorns, cloves, red chilli powder, haldi or turmeric powder, and grounded coriander. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Thereafter, pour in the onion, tomato and cashew gravy and stir well. Add a little water if your gravy is too thick. Cover with the lid and let it simmer on low heat. Gently drop in the koftas and cover with the gravy. Cover the pan with the lid to let the flavors infuse. Finally, pour in some fresh cream and your Paneer Malai Kofta is ready to be served and of course eaten. If you like this recipe, then we are happy to say that there are many more coming your way. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share.